Do you want to be a wealthy person? Do you want to have financial stability and security in your life? If the answer is yes, then subscribing to the Finance Guardian channel is a must. In this video trailer, we will discuss what our channel has to offer and how it can help make a positive change in your life. The Finance Guardian channel is a one-stop destination for all things investing. From beginner to advanced concepts, we have videos that cover it all. Our team of experts are passionate about helping people learn about money and how to make it work for them. We want to help you achieve your financial goals so that you can live the life you deserve. Wealth creation is not a one-time event. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and education. When it comes to creating wealth, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person might not work for another. There are also many ways to create wealth, but all of them require time and effort and learning. You'll need to devote time and energy to building your wealth. You can't just sit back and expect things to happen overnight. It takes patience, focus, discipline, determination, and hard work in order to create the life you want for yourself. Education is also a key component of wealth creation. You need to learn what works and what doesn't and find the strategies that fit your unique situation. There's no one right way to do things. You must figure out what works best for you. Tips for growing your wealth and learning how to invest wisely begin with education. The more you educate yourself on the subject, the better your odds are of achieving financial security. We will provide numerous tips for growing your wealth, like leveraging compounding interest, being disciplined and consistent in your saving habits, investing in a mix of assets that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals, staying informed and up to date on current market conditions so you can make smart investment choices, and diversifying your portfolio with various asset classes to reduce risk and increase return potential, etc. We will teach you about stock investing and how to make money from the stock market. There is no one definitive way to invest in stocks, and there are many different schools of thought on the topic. Some investors prefer to buy individual stocks, others prefer to invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, and still others prefer options investing. There are pros and cons to each of these approaches, but the important thing is to educate yourself and find the method that works best for you. Real estate investing should be part of your portfolio. We'll teach you about the different types of real estate investments, how to find a property, what you need to know about mortgages, how to get started in real estate investing. There are a lot of things to go into being successful with real estate investing. You need to have a firm understanding of the market, be able to identify good opportunities, and have access to capital. But even if you have all of those things, there's still one more thing you need: patience. Real estate investments can take a long time to pay off, so you need to be able to sit tight and wait for the right opportunity. If you're not willing to do that, then real estate investing might not be for you. But if you are patient and willing to learn, then real estate investing could be a great way to grow your investment portfolio. The Finance Guardian channel is a one-stop destination for all things finance. From beginner to advanced concepts, we have videos that cover it all. Our team of experts are passionate about helping people learn about money and how to make it work for them. We want to help you achieve your financial goals so that you can live the life you deserve. Learn about personal finance, debt and credit management, real estate investing, and retirement planning. We have a range of learning tools and topics that will help you understand the basics of money management in an easy-to-learn format. Whether it's setting financial goals or finding ways to save more money for your future, we have what you need. By subscribing to our channel, you will have access to the latest videos along with tips and techniques from our team of experts. We want to help you make money work for you. Subscribe now and get started on your path to financial success.